Putting off selling your home because you're worried you won't find something to buy? I get it. The number of homes for sale today is low, but you may be limiting yourself even further if you're not considering a newly built home. Check this out. Nationally, newly built homes make up 25% for the total for sale inventory right now. So if you're not looking at new homes, you may be cutting out as much as 1 in 4 options from your search. And when the supply of homes is already so low, limiting yourself even more just isn't your best bet. Not sold yet? Consider this. A new home has some pretty great benefits. You can tailor it to your unique needs from the ground up. This includes adding energy efficient features if you're looking to cut costs on your bills over time. And because everything is new, you're likely to find there are fewer maintenance and repair needs right up front. That's a big win because it gives you more time to relax and just enjoy your home. Let's connect so you have an expert guide on what's available in our area today.